Hey guys, Stock Sniper Mike, and I'm back again with the 2-minute drill. Here to give you guys 2 minutes of one crazy week of trading. And another green week in the books for the snipers. We are back rolling and back on that green streak like we never left. Unfortunately, the overall market is continuing their red streak and going down for a second straight week. Now looking a little iffy as we're getting closer to the 2020 presidential election. It seems like the bigger stocks are starting to get a little weary and getting a bit toppy at the top here as the Democrats are gaining some steam and could possibly take the House over come November. And if that happens, there is definitely going to be a shock up in the overall market. So always be aware and always be prepared, and that's what we do for you. To get more into detail about the overall market, the Dow Jones started its week at 28,633 and unfortunately went down, losing only 298 points and closing at 28,335. Dow was able to hold 28,200 as support last week, but really started to show weakness as the presidential debate came on Thursday and more questions about the possible blue wave and what it will do to the stock market. But in Sniperville, it was nothing like that. We were profiting in tagging bags like we do. This week, we only won 40% of the times, but that's key about our strategy and what I want you guys to pay close attention to. You can lose more than you win in this game and still come up profitable if you stick to the #1 rule of cutting losses and stick to the sniper plan. And that's what I'm going to go over this week, so let's dive in. As a sniper, we like to set ourselves up on Money Monday with a bag that we bought late Friday power hour, holding it overnight for a possible Money Monday bag. And we did this with 2 OTC penny stocks. The first one was an OTC cannabis stock, Charlotte's Web, CWBHF. We liked the way that it was creating a first balanced green day after having a nice little run and 3 straight red days, so we wanted to buy it with hope that it will go back to that green streak and get another pop and create a second green day on Monday. And the second stock, our favorite stock of October, we are now 4 for 4, and if we win this one, we'll be 5 for 5 on it. OTC psychedelic stock MMEDF started on Friday as it was breaking 52-week highs in a dollar spot. Looking for it to continue and possibly gap up and run for the rest of the week. And to start Money Monday, Charlotte's Web did not go in the direction we wanted, but that's okay because we stuck to the #1 rule of cutting losses and got out right away. We bought at 318 on Friday and was able to get out at 310 on Money Monday morning, only losing 2.5% and $93. The other stock, MMEDF, held that dollar spot nicely on Money Monday, so we decided we're going to let this one roll using the $1 cut and see what happens for the rest of the week. And after taking that small loss in Charlotte's Web, you know we couldn't give up because it's all about continuing to stick to the plan. And that's what we did as we found another OTC penny stock, OPTI. This was another OTC first green day that we were playing, just like Charlotte's Web, but this one ended up working out. OPTI was creating a nice green day and hovering right around that 3-cent spot. So we decided to buy it during power hour, our favorite time, the last hour of the day, at 294, using that 29 area as cut and looking for a push on Tuesday morning. And on Tagger Bag Tuesday, we got the push we wanted. It started with a nice gap up. We thought it was gonna run even more, but unfortunately it did not get the big push we wanted. We sold half of it right there in the morning at the top at 335 and was able to get out with the other half as it was coming down at 3 cents, averaging out for 314 and 7% on your money, making a total of $235 to scratch off the first loss and to be in the green to start the week. And to continue the green streak, you can't forget about our favorite stock, the OTC psychedelic stock MMEDF, because we decided to hold it for 3 more days, all the way into Thursday, as it never cracked $1. And we were holding it for 3 days. It was not showing promising signs of passing that 110 spot. So we decided to abort mission and get out as it was coming back down to at $1.03, making 13% total on the trade and another $700 plus to gain on the week. And we were not going to give up there. If a sniper pattern comes to us, we're going to play it. And we found another one coming in OTC cannabis stock HRVSF as it broke 6-month highs late on power hour on Thursday and got a nice push all the way to the 190s. So we liked that price action and we wanted a dip, and that's what we got. It wasn't a big dip, but we were able to get filled at 186, looking like we're gonna play the 6-month high and bag another gap up the next morning. Now unfortunately, things happen. And that's what we're here for, to learn from our mistakes. And in this stock, something happened. They came out with a stock offering overnight. And a stock offering is something a company does when they want to raise more capital. But what they do is they release more shares out there to gain more capital for the company. But in hindsight, if you think about it, if you release more shares out there, that means there's more available product. And when there's more available product out there, it becomes less valuable. And that's what's happening in a stock offering and what's happening here in HRVSF. Fortunately, we bought it at 186 and they did the offering at $1.70. So we knew we were gonna be in trouble right at the bell. And it's actually funny because when this offering came out, they didn't give you a chance to get out. They actually halted the stock with 3 minutes remaining in the day without letting you know what was gonna happen. And we found out overnight that the offering happened. So we were prepared the next morning with our sell order in at 170 just in case the thing falls out. And come the next morning, it does exactly what we thought. The stock ends up falling out. And luckily we were ready and prepared for it, and we had our $1.70 cut point in, because we were able to get out nicely at $1.75 right as the stock opened, and it's continued to plummet since then, hitting $1.50. So we are pumped to get out at $1.75, and we are proud to say we stuck to the #1 rule of cutting losses there. And last but not least, we gave another stock a try. This is an OTC cannabis stock that we like because the debate was on Thursday, and last debate, the vice president candidate said something about decriminalizing cannabis, and it made all cannabis stocks spike. So we took the same approach, thinking that Biden would do that, and we bought OTC cannabis stock TCNNF at $23.70 as it was closing in on $24 and getting close to that $26 52-week high, hoping for Biden to say something on Thursday's debate and give it some sort of pop on Friday morning. And unfortunately, he did not say anything in TCNNF, so we got out right away at the bell at $23.70, dead even, only losing our commissions on the trade. And we have our commissions down to $4.50. If you guys want to know how to lower your commissions, reach out to us, DM us, we can help you out there. So we only lost $9, $4.50 in, $4.50 out on the True Leaf trade to close out the week. And that's how you close out a $600 plus week by only winning 40% of your trade. So don't be discouraged of losses in this game. Always remember, L's are lessons and not losses in this game. And if you're able to learn from it, you will only get better. And when you get better, you only get richer. Another great week in the books. If you don't follow us on social media, you are missing out. Make sure to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, StockTwits, and TikTok. We got great info coming out daily. We're all about making it fun in this game. The stock market could be boring at times, so let's get rich together and let's have fun while doing it. Also, if you do not follow us on Profitly, PROFIT.LY, you can check us out here under the Stock Snipers. You can see every single one of our journeys, all of our wins, all of our losses. That's where I get all my stats from during this video. Make sure to go check us out under the Stock Sniper. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, I don't know how you haven't. Hit that subscribe button below. Great content is coming out weekly. I do this once a week, every Monday, reviewing our week. Stock Sniper Nick comes out with a Tuesday night watch this video showing you what we're looking for on Wednesday morning. And Stock Sniper Alex comes out with tips that'll help you every single day in the stock market. So make sure to hit the subscribe button below. And last but definitely not least, if you are not a part of this team, we would love to have you on here. Go check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com. We have a full team of traders, all the way from amateurs to advanced traders, people making 50 bucks all the way up to 2,000 bucks. We would love to have you tagging bags with us. We got daily watch lists, weekly webinars, a chat room with full access to us, and our buy and sells all day. Make sure to check us out on the website. The prices are going to be going up very soon because we got some great stuff coming. So I hope to see you on the team before that happens. Alright guys, another great week in the books. Another green one. We're back on a 3-week green streak. Let's get it continue back up here next week. I'll see you then. Stock Sniper Mike, out. Go.